I'll see you on Sunday just after the war. We'll hang up our bruised old arms on the wall. So check all your armor and guns at the door. We'll drink to the end of it all. We'll check all our armor and guns at the door on Sunday after the war. We'll drown it in brandy, we'll drown it in wine. When all of the ships have laid anchor ashore, I'll pay for your sorrow if you'll pay for mine. When the ships have laid anchor ashore, I'll pay for your sorrow if you'll pay for mine on Sunday after the war. After the war, after the war, all the bells will be ringing. After the war, after the war, after the war, nothing will be as before. On Sunday just after the war, well, I'll see you on Sunday just after the war. We'll wipe all the mud and the blood from our boots, the grunts and the brass, volunteers and recruits will carry their burdens no more. They'll sell off their burdens at the old surplus store on Sunday after the war. Well, I'll try to get used to my house and my bed when the flags have been folded and put in the drawer. I'll try to forget what I've got in my head on Sunday just after the war. When the flags have been folded and put in the drawer on Sunday after the war. After the war, after the war, all the birds will be singing after the war. After the war, after the war, oh, nothing will be as before. On Sunday just after the war. Drink from our veins, and some mother's son ain't no boy anymore. I swear I won't even try to explain how meadows and fingers are stained. If you ask me, I swear I won't try to explain on Sunday after the war. So I'll see you on Sunday just after the war. We'll cast our remembrance down in the grave where so many others who no one could save are smothered in brothers as brave. We'll cast our remembrance down in the grave on Sunday after the war. After the war, after the war, they're always recruiting after the war. Sunday just after the war.